everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty chilly in BC. I hope where you're at it's nice. I have an unboxing today right here. So we'll go ahead and get going on that, and in a couple of days I'm going to be doing my requested video from Alex in Austin. He wanted to know about the wear and tear on my Chanel bag, so I'll be doing that in a couple of days. And then I also have some other things coming next week, so I'll be doing some hauls regarding those. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. That means a lot. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and got my blade. And we'll go ahead and do it this way. I think this is from Samorga. They did a custom for me, so we'll see. Thanks, Millie. You're the bestest. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and open it up. Yeah, it's from Samorga. Okay, empty. Alright, this is pretty. They come in the plastic now. They used to come in like, I don't know, kind of like tissue paper, but now they've upped the scale there for plastic. It says Samorga on it. Kind of cool. Okay, I hope that's focusing all right. Alright. Yeah, they have the bags are pretty easy to get into now. Before it was a little bit different. So they did a custom order for me for my Sleeping Beauty, my pouch that I have. That's the same size as the LV Toiletry 26. So they had these really cool little things for like bag charms on one side, right? So anyways, so instead of buying a $60 conversion kit that only came in one color, I asked Millie, she's the owner, she's very nice, if they could add another loop, right? So then I can put my shoulder strap on my pouch, and that's what she did. So that's pretty cool. All right, and it says Samorga there. I hope that's focusing. Trying to get the hang of focusing. So, do what I can there. But that says Samorga. And this color is kind of like a heather navy. So it's going to match perfect. And then they stuffed it with bubble paper. And then here they have one pocket here, and they have their Samorga tag. Alright, there we go. That looks a little better. Alright. And it has two pockets there. So that's going to look really nice. And then basically I'm going to put it in my pouch. I'm going to be doing a video on that. And then show you with the strap and what it looks like. So you don't have to have the conversion kit. And you save about over half by adding the extra loop. And they don't charge you to add the extra loop. So it's just a great alternative. So if you do have the Toiletry 26, excellent. If you have a pouch that's 10 by 5, it will also work. So I love this color. This color is really pretty. It's kind of a heathery navy. But I'll put the exact color in the description box. But this is going to match perfect. Alright, that's my unboxing from today from Samorga. And look forward to next week when I have some more unboxings. Alright, thanks for watching Senior Style from a senior point of view. Hope everybody has a great week. Bye guys.